Good morning, children. Today I am going to start the next topic of Class 8 Physics lesson number 1. Chapter is Matter. Now we shall discuss about the physical state of matter. Matter can be classified in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. But at very high temperature, the fourth state form plasma. But we will discuss about the plasma state in higher classes. यहाँ हमने सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस के मॉलिक्यूलर अरेंजमेंट्स को शो किया है। मॉलिक्यूलर अरेंजमेंट्स में आप देख रहे हैं कि सॉलिड्स के मॉलिक्यूलर अरेंजमेंट्स जो हैं टाइटली पैक्ड, लूजली पैक्ड इन लिक्विड एंड वेरी लूजली पैक्ड इन गैस. So question is, what are the factors decide whether object is solid, liquid or gas? The two factors decide whether substance is solid, liquid or gas. First, intermolecular force and intermolecular space. Second, temperature. In our earlier video, you know that what is intermolecular force and intermolecular space. So on the basis of their properties, we compare solids, liquids and gases. There are some properties given below. First property is intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is maximum in solids. Why? Because the particles are tightly packed. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed as compared to solid, and in gases, molecules are very loosely bounded. So intermolecular force is least in gases. Second, intermolecular force. Second, intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is negligible because the particles are tightly packed. In liquids, as compared to solids, they have moderate space, and intermolecular space is maximum in gases because least intermolecular force. Third is geometry, that means shape and size of a matter. First, so in solids, the shape of solids are definite because their molecules do not leave their positions. They only vibrate in a fixed position. So they are rigid and definite in shape and volume. In liquids, molecules can move, so enable the liquids to flow. Liquids do not have fixed shape but definite volume because volume of liquid determines the volume of container. In gases, the molecules are freely to move. As a result, it occupies the entire space in which they are kept. Gases do not have a definite shape and volume. Fourth, rigidity. Then what is the meaning of rigidity? The meaning of rigidity is difficult to bend. In solids, they are highly rigid. In liquids, moderately rigid, and gases not rigid. Fifth point is fluidity. What is the meaning of fluidity? Fluidity, that means able to flow. Solids unable to flow. But we know that liquid and gases are in combination, they are called fluids. So liquids can also flow and gases can easily flow. Sixth point is compressibility. What is the meaning of compressibility? Compress करना मतलब क्या होता है? When pressure given, किसी चीज पे अगर हम प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हैं, how much volume of matter decreased, ये शो करता है उसका compressibility. Solids molecules are tightly packed, so they cannot compressed. Liquids can compressible, but gases are highly compressible due to large space. Seventh, effects of heating. In solids, molecules are tightly packed, so it can less expansion. In liquid, moderate expansion, but in gases, highly expansion on the basis of intermolecular space. So these are the properties of solids, liquids and gases to differentiate each other.